Wow, oh my god. That's dangerous. That is dangerous.
Oh, that is dangerous.
Accident waiting to happen because it's a blind corner.
Yeah,
She could stop here as well.
Yeah, it's super dangerous.
It's scary.
The pipeline.
Eusof Elliott Prune.
Wow. Oh.
So guys, today is the last day of 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day.
It is.
Yep. Nice misty ride at the start. And now the sun is up. It's going to be an awesome ride.
Yeah. And if you're wondering, we are right now in front of the Semenyih Dam. It's according to Eusof, it's one of the
Two sources of water in Selangor.
Oh yeah?
He's very reliable source of information. Concern for Petronas.
You guys can fact check me if I'm wrong. Please throw your comments in the comment section below.
Guys, take a look at this view. It's so amazing. This is Hulu Langat Dam, is it?
Is it Semenyih Dam or Ulu Langat Dam?
Semenyih.
Semenyih.
But it's
Ulu Langat lah. Well, Ulu Langat Road lah, but this dam is actually called Semenyih Dam, we believe lah.
It's called Semenyih Dam.
These are the only two sources of water in Selangor. One of the two sources of water in Selangor. Yeah. Wow, oh my god. That's dangerous. That is dangerous.
Oh, that is dangerous.
Accident waiting to happen because it's a blind corner.
Yeah.
she could stop here as well.
Yeah, it's super dangerous.
It's scary.
Alright guys, let's go. So this is like all the way lah.
All the way.
Okay guys, follow your own pace lah. Be careful
Okay.
Alright. you were like, your heart dropped. What is up, guys? So we're having breakfast here in Kuala Klawang. We made it to Kuala Klawang. Look at that.
The daging rendang is awesome.
Daging rendang. So, and also we have roti telur. These boys are having nasi lemak. How's the food?
The food is good.
Food is good?
Yep, awesome.
Awesome.
Canai garing.
Canai garing, huh?
The location Joshua gave.
Oh,
This is the location he gave.
okay.
Oh, but he dropped another pin. Wait up.